Now, have you ever asked yourself this question? What does it take to start your career in clinical research? This is what we're gonna see now. Now, clinical research today is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, and more so in India. The fast growth and its global presence have attracted the attention of life science, medical and dental graduates. Now, before we move on to know how to enter the industry of clinical research, let us know what exactly happens in clinical research. Now, basically, clinical research is a trial that evaluates the investigational drug, be it biological or medical device, on patients in a strictly scientifically controlled setting in order to test the safety and efficacy of the product. Now, clinical research involves controlled use of humans in medical experiments. As clinical research involves testing on humans, it is a strictly regulated industry. The clinical trials conducted are in accordance with the principles and guidelines laid down in the good clinical practice. This ensures the safety of the subjects taking part in the trials. Coming to the prerequisites to enter this industry. Now, you need to understand the processes. The knowledge and the skill sets play a crucial role in your career apart from your life science background. And now the employers are on the lookout for candidates with the basic knowledge of the drug development cycle, thorough knowledge of the GCP guidelines, and along with this, the candidate should also have good communication skills, ability to comprehend situations, time management skills, documentation skills, and a desire to learn and accept change. Coming to the training, let's see what kind of training is required. Now, if you are a fresher and have decided to take up clinical research as a career, you need to undergo training to know what it takes to be in this industry. Now, the role of training is to provide you with basic information to help you get into the industry. The training you undergo should teach you the following: excellent communication skills, ability to build up good interpersonal relationships, fundamentals of the drug development life cycle, common disease conditions, GCP guidelines, regulations, and ethics. Now, coming to, and if you possess this basic knowledge, you can enter the industry, and the rest you will learn with experience and continuous learning. Now, a good training institute will ensure that the candidate will understand his or her responsibilities when they enter the industry. Now, make sure of the following points before joining any institution. Make sure they have a good management with a clean record. Make sure they have qualified and efficient trainers, and also make sure that there's a good student-faculty ratio. Ensure that there is effective training methodology which will cater to all the different learning styles of different candidates, with a good scope to discuss the knowledge, and also ensure that there's a good placement record. Coming on to who is going to employ clinical research professionals. Now, there are different organizations that play an active part in the study and conduct of a clinical trial. These organizations who will employ candidates are grouped as mentioned here. Now, the first thing, the pharmaceutical industries. Now, organizations that are primarily interested in the outcome of the research. Then there are CROs, or the contract research organizations, and also hospitals. Now, these are organizations that take part in the conduct of the trial. Finally, there are the SMOs, or the site management organizations, and the trial supplies companies. Now these are organizations that provide support to clinical research services. Now if you have any further questions, or you would like to know more about your careers involved in clinical research, please log on to www.crocareers.in. Have a nice day.